Hello everybody, this is Syncretic 3D, and in this video I will share with you how to create a plastic shader. Now you might be used to using a principal BSDF for this purpose, but it's very long and it has a lot of missing features that I will implement in the advanced version. So let's start off with a diffuse shader. Give it a nice red color. Let's smack down a reflection shader, which you can see how to build in the top right corner. And press Ctrl-Alt-G to ungroup the nodes inside. Let's share the same roughness node and the reflection rotator node. And then mix together the glossy node with the diffuse node with a mix shader. And then add a layer weight node to make sure it's only on the grazing angles for the glossy here. Then add another range node set to 0.5 for the maximum, which we'll plug into the layer weight node here. And share the normals with the reflection rotator. And set the FAC of the range node to 0.5. And the other range node below for the brightness set to 0.5 as well. Let's group this all together. Ctrl-G. And grab the color here. And grab the FAC of this range and call it for now. Then grab the FAC of the second range node and call it brightness. And then copy the group input node and bring in all the inputs from the roughness and the reflection rotator. And rename the second texture to texture rotation. And the first to texture roughness. And name this new group node plastic. And create a fake user. And that's all there is to it, guys, to create the plastic shader. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and support me on Patreon. All links are below. Alright, I'll see you all in the next video of this course. Bye bye.